I'm Master Cicerone, Mirella Amato, and this is my friend Matt.
Yoo-hoo!
Welcome to our third beer gadget review. If you missed the first two, you can follow the link, which I'm going to post
Right
now.
there. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the day has finally arrived. We are going to talk about this bad girl right here. This is the Ultrasonic Beer Foamer. Ultrasonic. And I'm not going to call it out because I think we all know what this looks like. And like any product that looks like this, very easy to get going. It just requires 2 AAA batteries that you stick in right there. And if you have any apprehensions about ordering this because of what it looks like, rest assured, it does come in a unmarked box. So the mailman or your friends, nobody's going to know what's inside that box.
Excellent. Well, Matt, I know you're very excited about this device.
I'm so excited.
I think you might have a slight letdown when you turn it on.
Okay, I don't like that. Why do you say that?
Well, press the button and see.
Okay. Are the batteries dead? Because it's not doing anything.
Well, see, when you're pressing the button, does the little green light appear?
Yes.
Yeah, there it is. So it is working.
But it's not doing anything.
It actually is doing something. It is emitting ultrasonic waves. And these waves are not sound waves that you can hear, but animals can hear them. And in fact, common use of this ultrasonic technology is in repellent devices. Have you seen those little things you plug into the wall to scare mice away? They make a sound that you can't hear. Mm-hmm. Yes, so that's the same technology that we're using for this device, but in this device, obviously it's not designed to scare animals. It's designed to knock the carbonation out of the beer.
I knew it was multi-purpose, but I didn't think it was for getting rid of mice. So if you have a mouse problem, there you go.
Or if you need to get a nice foam on your beer, let's see.
Ever the optimist over here.
Let me pour you a beer, Matt. You can try it. See it in action.
I don't know. I feel that our viewers are also very disappointed.
Well, let's give them the opportunity.
I was so excited for this.
See how it works. Look at that. There's your beer. I'm going to pour one for myself while I'm at it.
So what do I do? Just stick it in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's wait for nothing. Oh.
There you go.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right, I take it back a little bit. I will say that it is delivering a very nice foam. Probably one of the nicest foams we've seen. It's fun, it's cheeky. You know what? You could probably, have this at a party. You're walking around, socializing. Oh, there you see Kathy. You haven't seen Kathy in years. Kathy, hi, how are you? Oh, it's so nice to see you. How are the kids? How's the husband? Yeah, I don't care. Mirella, look at your beer. It looks so flat and lifeless.
No.
Oh, you must be having a horrible time. Let me help you.
Thank you, Matt.
Look at that. Look at that gorgeous head of beer. Okay.
Oh, ew. Oh, that's problematic.
A little bit of a mess.
Yeah.
But that's what
how are
the
we gonna
good
deal
Lord
with
gave
that?
us a mouth for.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I know. Just plop it in the glass, just like that. But this is great. What I did notice here is when I had my first sip of beer, I could tell the carbonation was still stuck in there. Took the ultrasonic beer foamer, dipped it in, just like your chopsticks, you're knocking the carbonation out, so this particular device will pass the bloat test.
Okay, which is cute. And it's also a cute product, so for one price, you're getting double the cuteness.
And that price, Matt, is $24.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think
Would
that's
you buy
reasonable.
it?
Yeah, I would buy that. I'd spend $24 on that. It's a nice little gag. You know what? If I have to summarize this, I will say that first, this would be a great gag gift. Could you imagine giving this to one of your friends in the unmarked box and not tell them what it is? Yeah. They're going to think you're bringing the friendship to a whole new level. And also, great conversation piece. And most importantly, for the sake of these videos especially, it does deliver on what it's meant to do, which is important when you're buying a product for something, obviously. So yeah, I would say that it delivers and yeah, lots of fun.
I also really like the idea of just having this lying around the house in a glass, maybe in the living room or the dining room, and just leaving it there for people to wonder at. It's not really clear what it is.
Could you
It's
imagine
kinda fun.
having your family over for dinner, having a little dinner party, and leaving this out for them all, for everyone to see, and they're either going to treat it like the elephant in the room and not pay attention to it, or your mother's going to come up to you and be like, Mirella, put your toys away.
So, the ultrasonic beer foamer. My review for this device is that it is sexy and discreet,
Yes.
but drippy.
Yeah, but that's a minor detail. I mean, if you're having a party, you're going to have to clean up anyways, so yes.
Fair enough.
Lots of fun. So make sure you come back and see us next time, because we are going to jump right into our next product, which is continuing with this sonic trend. And we're going to talk about the Sonic Foamer.
Fantastic. Make sure
Yeah.
you don't miss that video by subscribing to my channel.
Subscribe.
Oh no, Matt, your beer is flat. Let me see if I can fix that
Fix
for
it
you.
up. Oh, look at perfect.
Ooh, that is fun.
That is fun. And much, much more fun than chopsticks. Nope. Cheers.
Give me a gadget to make my phone. Bring the magic from the bird to my home. Phone. Gives time. Phone. Phone. Gives time. Phone.
Oh, that's tasty.